Ayan guys. Yellow.
Hi guys.
Ayan, kasama ko yatid ko sa school.
I'm looking the sidewalk.
Naglaro na naman siya ng yellow. Ayan o. You playing guys.
No.
Look, Sabi's playing guys.
No, I'm just looking at the sidewalk. So I know which way I'm going.
Ayan na guys. Maputi na naman ang kalsada. You wearing your hood, Chevy? Hoodie. Chevy, you wearing your hoodie? Come on. Ayaw kaya magsuot ng hoodie. Handsome, Chevy. You're handsome. Yan. Kakalkal lang na naman yung yellow. Hi.
I see ice.
Yan ang gawain niya pagka papasok. Laruin yung yellow. O yan o. O Sebi! Okay. Sige guys, bye-bye na. Ayan na guys. Ayan ang bus namin. Ayan ba sinahantay namin. Ayun yung dalawa. Ayun yung kasama niya o. Yung dalawa. Yung kasabay niya sa bus. Ayun yung bus. Ayan, nasasakay na sila guys.